What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bakerytoken, which has gone through an insane pump. As you guys can see here, a huge green candlestick. It did top up to about 22 cents and has right now dipped down to 14 cents. However, it is still up over 300% over the last 24 hours. So we'll be looking at why has it pumped so much. Is it time to sell it? Is it time to buy it? Or should you wait for it to dip back down? But before I go any further, if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And also, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So looking at the daily chart, the RSI is currently at 73.66, which is pretty high. It is more on the overvalued side, and clearly it will be, because all these days it has been dropping in value, fluctuating between 8 cents, 10 cents, and did drop down to 3 cents earlier on this week. But suddenly it has hit a huge green candlesticks, and the only way to go about this is for it to slowly start to drop back down, which is what I'm predicting. It should head back down below the 10 cents mark towards the end of the day today, going into tomorrow. And again, if we get rid of the RSI and bring on the Bollinger Band on the daily chart, it is way over the red line here, which is the upper bound. The maximum level it should be around, which is 12 cents, and it is currently trading around 14 cents. So yeah, it is likely to drop back down below the red line here, getting closer to the blue line, which is around the 7 cents target towards the end of this week, is what my predictions are at the moment. So let's get rid of the Bollinger Band and zoom in into the hourly chart. So let's have a look over the next couple of hours. What can we predict from this crypto? Again, the MACD line is looking quite bullish, the orange line is in specific. However, the MACD line, which is the blue line here, is slowly starting to go in a bearish direction. Reason being is, yes, it's gone for an insane pump, however it is slowly starting to drop back down. So over the next couple of hours and days we should see it drop back further down to where it is at the moment, getting closer to around 7-8 cents in value, before essentially fluctuating between 10 to 12 cents in value towards the end of September going into October, is what my predictions are at the moment. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, we are looking very steep, very bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, this is not as realistic as it seems. Only reason is looking so steep, heading in a bullish direction, is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. So the graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction. However, that is not the case at all. It is likely to drop down further over the coming week and a half. Finally, zooming into the daily chart, again the lines are looking very steep. So once again, this is not as realistic as it seems. Heading into October, November, I am predicting the crypto to be hovering around 8 to 10 cents, so somewhere where it was trading at prior to the pump. And again, yes, I am predicting crypto bull run, a minor pump in the crypto market going into Q4, so over the next couple of months. But I am not predicting Bakerytoken to go for an insane increase or anything like that. It is likely to fluctuate around its current price range. Reason being is, we can see here the trading volume has gone up over 4,700%, guys, which is absolutely insane. So a lot more people are currently trading the crypto due to the pump. However, do bear in mind, guys, whenever you see a pump like this, what happens next is likely to drop back down. And we've seen that not just in Bakerytoken, but a lot of other cryptos have done similar things, where it goes for an insane increase and then straight away crashes back down. So this is another project that is likely to do such thing. But yeah, at the moment Bakerytoken is up, and as mentioned earlier on in the video, it is likely to drop back down to where it was around 8 to 10 cents by the end of the week, going into mid to late September, and fluctuating around that price range. And over the last week it has gone up 170%, over the month 66%. We can see it dipping down here in early September, and over the year is an overall 42% down. So personally, this is not a great project to be investing into. I haven't invested into it and I won't be investing into it. However, let me know in the comment section down below how many of you guys are investing into Bakerytoken or are looking to sell it. Comment down below, as I'm pretty intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And again, yes, it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Let me know your end of year target for Bakerytoken. A lot of people have been saying the dollar mark, however it's way off that target. I'm not predicting it to hit the dollar mark anytime soon. Let me know your end of year targets, and before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and peace.